Let's see how to download videos from a Ring camera. Here I have the Ring app, so I just need to open it up. And then I can select the camera that I want. In this case, I have a Ring indoor camera and also a Ring doorbell. So I just select the doorbell. And I just need to come here and look for the video that I want to download. Let's say this one, for example. You see here that the video is under this timeline, so I just leave it here and come to the three dots here on more. I select download, tap on it and just wait for it to download, and you see here the progress, and the video is going to be downloaded to the image folder. See here the message. Then you just need to come to your gallery. There we go. I open this up and here I have the video already on my cell phone, and from here you can just share with anybody. You just need to come here on your iPhone, for example, hit this share button, select the person that you want to share the video with, and you're good to go, right? Super simple. Basically that's the way you can download a video from a Ring camera using the Ring app. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.